Welcome to an introduction to the Roper Center for Public Opinion Research, sponsored by the Social Science Research and Instructional Council. The Roper Center is an archive of public opinion data produced by commercial and media centers. It contains over 22,000 data sets from over 100 countries, many of which can be downloaded with Roper Express. iPoll is a collection of over 650,000 survey questions, which can also be searched. CSU campuses subscribe yearly to the social science databases, which include the Roper Center, the Field Poll, and the Inter-University Consortium for Political and Social Research. Campuses that subscribe have free access to all these databases for their students, faculty, and staff. The first thing you need to do is to create your own account at the Roper Center. You'll need this account to search the iPoll archive of questions, to download data sets, and to analyze data online. These accounts are free. To create your own account, you need to be on a computer on a CSU campus that has subscribed to the social science databases. Click on Search iPoll in the upper right of the Roper homepage. This is the Roper Center homepage. The URL is ropercenter.cornell.edu. To create your own account, click on Search iPoll in the upper right. When you click on Search iPoll, you'll be taken to the Roper Center sign-in screen. In order to use iPoll or to download data or to analyze data online, you'll need to have a free account at the Roper Center. If you already have an account, sign in at the upper left. If you don't, click on the Sign In button at the top right. This is the iPoll search screen. If you're creating your account, click on Register in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to the registration page. Fill in the requested information and create your password. When you want to use the Roper Center and it asks you to sign into your account, use your email address as your username and the password you just created. Now that you have your account, you can access the Roper Center from off campus. When you need to sign in to your account, it will ask you to do so. This is an example of an iPoll search. We filled in religion in the keyword box. This means it will search for the word religion in all the questions in the archive. We've also restricted our search from surveys conducted in 2000 through 2015. This is an example of what iPoll search results would look like. These are three of the questions that the search in our previous slide would give us. Notice the magnifying glass on the left. You would click this magnifying glass to view the question details. And then there's the slanted X to the right of the magnifying glass. You would click the slanted X to actually download the data. What if you wanted to search for data sets? This is the Roper homepage again, and you would click on Search Datasets in the upper right. This is an example of how you would search for data sets. It's similar to the iPoll search screen. Again, we filled in religion in the keyword box, and we restricted our search for surveys from 2000 to 2015. This time it will search for the word religion in the surveys in the Roper archive. Here's an example of what your search results might look like. The first survey listed is the Pew Research Center poll from September 2014. To the right of the survey description, you'll see the slanted X, which you can click on to download the data. This is the data abstract that you'll get when you click on the Roper Express icon, the slanted X. You can click on either the PDF file or the Word file to download the documentation. You can download this particular dataset either as an SPSS file or as an ASCII file. If you want to learn more about Roper from the Roper website, go to the home page and click on Support. This will take you to a number of documents that you can read to get more information about the Roper Center. To learn more about the Roper Center, you can go to the Social Science Research and Instructional Center's website. The URL is ssric.org. Click on Roper in the upper left under Data. You can also click on ICPSR and Field Poll to learn more about these archives. When you click on the Workshops link on the SSRIC homepage, you'll see a list of PowerPoint presentations. Click on the Roper link and that will take you to an expanded, more detailed PowerPoint describing the Roper Center. This concludes our introduction to the Roper Center for Public Opinion Research.